Hey everyone, welcome back to Legendary Stuffs. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the affiliate program of Alibaba and how you can earn money by promoting their products and services. If you're looking for a great way to make some passive income, then this video is for you. So, let's dive into it. Alibaba is the world's largest online and mobile commerce company, and their affiliate program is one of the best ways to make money online. As an affiliate, you get to earn a commission by promoting Alibaba's products and services. You'll be given a unique referral link, and every time someone makes a purchase through that link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. So, why should you join the affiliate program of Alibaba? There are several reasons why this program is so popular. First and foremost, it's a great way to make passive income. You can earn money without actually having to sell anything yourself. All you need to do is promote Alibaba's products and services, and you'll earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase through your referral link. Another benefit of the Alibaba affiliate program is that you have access to a wide range of products and services to promote. Whether you're interested in fashion, electronics, or home decor, Alibaba has something for everyone. Plus, their commission rates are very competitive, so you can earn a decent amount of money for every sale that you generate. Now that you know the benefits of joining the affiliate program of Alibaba, let's talk about how to sign up. It's a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. Step 1. Go to the Alibaba affiliate website and click on Join Now. Step 2. Fill out the registration form with your personal and website information. Step 3. Wait for Alibaba's team to review your application. This can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. Step 4. Once your application is approved, you'll receive a confirmation email with your unique referral link. You can then start promoting Alibaba's products and services and earning commissions. So, how do you promote Alibaba's products and services as an affiliate? There are several ways to do this, including creating product reviews. You can create reviews of Alibaba's products on your blog or YouTube channel, and include your referral link in the description. Social media. You can share your referral link on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Email marketing. You can create an email list and promote Alibaba's products and services to your subscribers. Paid advertising. You can use paid advertising platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to promote Alibaba's products and services. To be successful as an affiliate, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First and foremost, you should choose the right products to promote. Make sure they're relevant to your audience and that they're high-quality products that you genuinely believe in. You should also create high-quality content that will resonate with your audience. This could be a blog post, video, or social media post. It's also important to build a strong social media presence to help you reach a wider audience. You can use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to share your content and engage with your followers. So, there you have it, folks. That's everything you need to know about the affiliate program of Alibaba. Thanks for watching this video on the affiliate program of Alibaba. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also be interested in starting their own online business. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Legendary Stuffs, for more videos on online entrepreneurship, marketing, and other valuable business tips. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified every time we upload a new video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.